We broke into the Baikonur Cosmodrome. At night, we decided to hide our car in the garages of the space launch pad and found there the entrance to the bunker. Guys, we're going down into an underground mine. And what does that mean? It means we can kill the beasts. Wow, is this a pressure door? Be ready in case there are wolves. Prepare a knife. And the cartridges. Look, everything is blackened. It seems like something was burned in here. What? What is it? Oh man. Where are we going? There, ready? Go. By the way, it's warm here. It reminds me of Pripyat. Look there, what a tunnel. Whoa! I'm upset. Oh, microcircuits are here in place. Look, these are the old Soviet circuits. Small transformers, everything is in place. What was launched here? Even the silver starters, the pressure valve, the lighting, the remote control, the measurement circuit, the fan, everything is intact. What was it? Do you think the rockets were launched from here? From this reservoir? It's not completely looted yet. 71st year, Anton. What? The equipment is of the 71st year. It's ancient and probably outdated. Look, the chandeliers are still intact. Typical USSR chandeliers. Light bulbs are still here. We can't even try to light them up. Really? Can you do it? Come on, let's do it. Of course. There's a switch, by the way. There's no wire. It's torn off. But we can connect it here. We clean the wires all nice and good. Twist it and tear this thing off. Come on, no sudden movements. Hold on. Give me some more wire. You holding it? I'm not. I'm holding this thing. So, Sasha wraps the ends of the wire to the line of the plafond. There is a contact. We take our inverter, stick this together. Make sure that there's no short circuit. It is necessary to make it so that the wires do not cling to any metal. And at the same time we connect the battery. Let's start then? Well, fingers crossed, I hope there's light. I hope it doesn't blow up. No. Nothing, maybe it's broken. Everything is okay with the power, so I think the problem is in the light bulbs. Maybe the light bulbs are oxidized. They're so big. Yeah, the light bulb is broken. The same problem with that one? That one too. I don't know. Give me the camera. See? There's no spiral. That is, the light bulb's really oxidized. And fell apart. Fell apart. Yes, you see? Damn. And I really hope it will work out. Look, some Soviet computers. Look at these system units. The system boards. What are these boards? Judging by the huge number of wires, the voltage is 220 volts. Look at these connectors. The connection was probably used for super secret coded communication. These are the places for boards or something. Yes, there were installed boards. At that time, it was cool. Look, so many wires and everything is separated. Look, the wires like threads. These wires with Lobsanova isolation are the best that could be found in USSR. Radio fans love them for their melting ability. We can get rich if we sell all these. Most of them are made of precious metal. One coin costs about 1,500 tenge. Really? They haven't been stolen yet. Yeah, you can really make a lot of money on that. Oh, what dope diodes. Let's try to figure out what it could be. The pressure valve closed open. The fan, what could it be? Lightning? 100 amps, 380 volts. This could be a substation. But what it has to do with pressure valve and fan? Weird. Guys, we found some kind of secret hall. Oh, look at the transistor. 2T803A. Very old. What is it? Wow. What is it? There's more. Let's go. Damn, where are you going?
Ё-моё.
Oh man, look, what ventilation.
Ноги.
Watch out your legs.
Ролик суперсуса про страшную трубу.
I wonder where it will lead us out.
А ну.
Damn, what if it jams? Look, it has inscriptions. LG60. What does this mean? It was 1971. Seems like it's a cast iron. I don't know. Oh, what is inside? Are there more ways? Yes, there is still more to the up and down. You should have put your head there first. Oh man.
Ё-моё.
Did you take the dosimeter with you? I did. Nice, come on, Sasha. Someone made a torch here. Yeah, what can it be, Anton? What is this place? Where are we? Listen, well, I don't know. Oh man, what's there? It's just a room. Let's go then? I want there. Yes, let's go there.
Жесть.
What are we doing? Probably leave my knives here. What if there are wolves there? Damn, do you think they went upstairs? And what are these pipes? I don't understand. Our officer is here. A prosecutor. A prosecutor. Just turn over when you crawl. It's good, you're doing good. Should I jump there?
Ё-моё.
So what? There may be an entrance, a secret hole. Lean on it. Let's go. Move slowly. It's okay? Yeah. What's there? Is there an entrance? Look, there's the entrance. What's there? There should be an entrance to the shaft. There is an entrance to the launch shaft? Guys, there's something there. That's crazy. We are now under the launcher. Where should we go next? I'll go down here to check. Insane. There is no passage. Looks like a collider. Everything is round. Down there. There's also no passage? So we have to go lower? Right here? We're going there?
Пацаны.
You look so strange. Yes, here it is. This shaft. Oh man. Okay, Sasha. Let's go. Come here. There is way further. Go down there. Be careful. Wow, Anton, I need a flashlight. And a huge rocket silo. Now I'll show you what's down there. Wow, there's some rocket clip and water at the very bottom. You see it? This is insane. It's very deep, you know why? Why? They wanted to launch nuclear missiles from here. It's very dangerous. Can you step there? You can, but very carefully. Hold on well. Everything is wobbly. Yes, Anton, everything is shaky. Vadim, there are 40 meters. It's actually a long flight. Let me see. How do you like it? Guys, it's deep. Move the beam lower. Quiet. I'm throwing a stone. Gosh, it flew a long time. A second or two. Oh man, is there radiation here? If there was no rocket, then it is unlikely to be. It's clean. Gosh, what a power, right? Look what rolls. The rocket must have slid on them when it took off. Look, and there are hydraulic mechanisms. Did you see them, Anton? It's insane. Whoa. There's water. And look at the top. It's the cover, right? Yes, it was open. Look what wheels. They all were rolling when the rocket took off. Well, yeah. Look, these wheels were rolling like this. Yes, it was twisting when it took off. Can you imagine it? This is elevator. What is this mechanism? What is it? How was this all even built? Look at the stairs, that's crazy. Look on all sides, there, and there. This is the only available missile silo. A whole one. All the others are blown up. It was left just in case, for sure. Hey bro, what are you doing? Why the hell are you doing this? Vadim, for some reason, wants to climb down to the silo. No, Vadim. Jesus, stop it. I want to take a photo. This thing puts together. As they say, a bad example is contagious. See what Anton is doing. It's like a rocket silo that is 40 meters deep for the goddamn nuclear missile. Anton, we don't need corpses at the facility. Quiet, quiet. What are you saying? I would not climb there for any money. I climb for free. Good. We also have a Buron waiting for us. Oh gosh. You want to go lower? There's water. You'll fall soft. Are you ready? That's it, guys. I'll show you what photo we have. This is what it looks like from the top, guys. Everyone, let's go to bed. Faster, faster! Wolves! Wolves!
Shouted? Are you stupid?
What the heck?
They were wolves.
Go in the car, quickly!
I'm telling you, they were wolves. Wolves, man. You're tough guys. I told you. I heard this.
Did you hear it too?
Of course I did. And he comes up. I see him coming. And I knock on him like this. And he goes around the corner here.
Who? Wolf?
Who, you?
You were hiding.
I tell him like, Anton, there are wolves. Like, come in. What are you doing?
Anton, why didn't you come in?
He didn't hear me. And I didn't want to yell either.
I was scared. We hid there with Reinhardt. And was the door closed or something?
I started cutting the tubes here.
Oh, what tubes? Hoses to rivet that hole. And if this wolf is sitting right in that shaft,
Come on, it's definitely not. It's here behind the wall, waiting for you.
will you go outside with us? Spoons. You found spoons, right? Well, Slava, we'll leave you in the car. And go, it's 5 in the morning. Anton collects the rest of the things that we have forgotten. Okay, we're now going to the hangar with the Buron. The way will take 10 kilometers. It's crazy, guys. Okay, so the car was left behind. The road is not very smooth. It's full of pit. The wind is cold. My hands freezing. What, Anton?
It hurts. It's just unreal.
I see such suffering on your face.
You have no idea how much it hurts.
Watch out, the foxes from behind. They can jump.
I put on all the socks I had, so I got the insoles of these stupid shoes. My feet are literally bleeding.
Are you going to go like this without shoes?
Yes.
Oh man.
They hurt me.
Anton, is it okay?
It's good.
Show me what happened. You're just ramping it, aren't you? Thorny bushes punctured the insole.
Do you understand? The splinters, damn it.
That's disgusting.
I told you about thorns. You wouldn't have made it. Say something that will help me.
We decided to use life hack from the internet. Shoes made of bottles. Wait, don't go so fast. Are you sure it will work?
I don't know at all. Now we will test it.
Well, the moment of truth. Oh, it fits. Oh well, try it. Take a walk.
Gorgeous.
Let's wind up the cork. Anton, don't move. Wait. You can now use them to beat off the foxes. What do you say? Oh, you keep eating your coffee dry? Damn. Is it okay?
I'll try it.
Damn. Well, Anton, the life hack is a total cap.
They lasted 6 kilometers.
Oh, guys, 6 kilometers. Look what happened to the bottles. Crazy. The second one is better. Always choose your shoes well for hiking. Be sure to wear them beforehand, at least a week.
I just didn't know what the weather would be like in Kazakhstan.
How many days did you wear them before this trip?
I walked around in them for one day.
And they still hurt?
They seem to be fine. My feet hurt. It's so hard to walk in these boots.
Well, guys, it begins to lighten a little. Directly ahead is a hangar with a Buron. It's cool. We go very precisely.
Well, there are lights. These are all the active sites of Baikonur. From here, they launch rockets into space.
Let's go, let's go. And in general, it seems that the distance does not change.
It hurts, really. My skin just came off the heels.
This is crazy. Look at the ground. It was even worse when we were walking in the dark. It was even scarier.
So right now we will go around and look for a suitable place to climb.
We went up the hill. Look, many buildings there are near it. It's insane. And we are clearly visible in the field. We need to move faster.
Damn, Anton, we have to get there very quickly.
There's only a little bit left, but they can see as well. You see, we were supposed to get there in the dark. Look, there's the embankment. The embankment, and I think there will be a moat behind it. Yes, that's right, there's a moat. This is that the cars wouldn't go there, but we will pass.
Let's wait for Vadimich. There are holes there. We'll have to climb up the holes. Oh no, there's a way over there.
Yeah, let's go. The sun is rising, damn.
We need to go quickly.
Look, awesome.
Sit down, sit down.
Look, what a huge moat. There's no way the car can get here.
Don't show your head too much. My feet, gosh. These boots are just wooden.
These are shoes from Chernobyl. You take them with you?
Yeah, the liquidators used to wear them.
Let's go, guys. The last kilometers remain. It feels like the land was brought here from somewhere, not so long ago.
Vadim, come here.
Vadim. What?
Come here. What do you mean why you talk like that?
What?
I said come here.
What do you mean?
Come here.
So what?
Are you coming with us as a team? So follow us, okay?
I'm making a video.
If you're going to do it yourself, then the police is going to catch you. You understand that?
I will shoot the way I want.
Okay, guys, stop. No, you're putting us on the spot.
How?
Do not do that.
How am I doing it?
Burn us down. Hey, that's it. We should move. We'll talk later. Putting us on the spot, I'm telling you. Come on, guys. Hey, stop. Oh, you're acting like a chick.
Maybe you are?
Are you kidding?
Well, he started all that.
Hey, what the heck are you doing, Vadim? What do you mean?
Don't stop me from filming the video. I'm shooting a video. Don't disturb me. I'm also calmly asking you do not stop me from filming.
You then get the hell out of here. You got it?
You too then. I'll go myself. You go yourself.
Wait until we get there. What are we both doing?
He started all that. Listen to him.
Why did you call him? Come on. Oh, you. Hey, what is wrong with you? What the heck? Stop, okay? Why is he acting like that?